My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Audi A4. This vehicle's done just over 80,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our settings, Audi smartphone, Audi Connect, map, navigation, telephone, media, radio, sound, and car, where we can choose from our 4 different driving modes. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.